There's going to be a time where you want to program your Yaesu VX6 for a repeater, but you want to do everything manually. You don't want the machine, the radio, to put any offset values, or you want to maybe change the offset value. All right, I'm going to show you how to do this, program this, what I call manual. So the first thing we want to do is press the F button, and then 0, and then go to number 4, ARS, press 0. It might be on, let's turn it off, press 0, okay, and then press the PTT button. Now the minus or plus sign, the offset, won't show. You could type your number right now, or before. We'll just leave it there for now. Next thing is we're going to change the direction of the uplink. So instead of automatically have it done for you, you can put it manually. Let's say it's going to be plus. So how do you change it to a plus? So forward F6. Right now it's in simplex. Let's say it's plus RPT. Then press 6 again. Now we have a plus sign. The offset will be plus. How much? And we're going to change that in a little minute. Another way to get access to the RPT would be going to F key 0, and then you would go to number 51, I think. Let's see. Yeah, 51, RPT. Press 0, and you can see you can change it here too with the dial. Press 0, press PTT. That's another way. Okay, now let's turn on the private line, or the CT CSS. That's going to be pretty straightforward. It's going to be the F key and then mode. It's off. Let's tune it, or move the dial to, in this case, tone. Press mode. Now you have the T. Now we also have to choose the tone. Let's press the F key, then code. Then let's say we were doing 103.5. Press 2 again, right? Code is 2. And then press the PTT button. And we're back here. The offset is usually automatic for a 2 meter. But let's say for a 2 meter, it's going to be 600 kilohertz. For 1.25 meters is 1.6 megahertz, and 70 centimeters, I believe, is 5 megahertz in the offset. But let's say for whatever reason the offset is not 600 kilohertz for the 2 meter. What do we do? F button 0. We'll go to 56. The menu button, shift, press 0. Here's 600 kilohertz. You can change it to whatever value you need. Press 0, and then press the PTT button, and you're ready. You could type in, your frequency if you need to. These values are going to be kept the same, the plus and the T. That's how you would do it manually. And if you want to know how to do this with a little more automatic way, watch my other video on how to set it up for the repeater for the Yaesu VX6. And then also I do have another video that talks about how to program this for simplex.